So now we're getting to the idea of an indefinite integral. So remember, an indefinite integral has this symbol, an integral sign, and that means to find the antiderivative of that given function. And the antiderivative is a family of functions that are parallel to one another. So we add a plus c on the end, and that c can be any constant depending on a given value. So honestly, finding the integral or antiderivative is usually pretty easy if you know your derivative rules, because if you know the derivative, then you know the antiderivative. So for example, the derivative of sine is cosine, so the antiderivative of cosine is sine x plus c. So if you know your derivative rules, it's pretty straightforward. The one rule, honestly, where you have to do a little math is the power rule for antidifferentiation, where you add 1 to your power and then divide by that power. So there are a couple properties down here. If you have a constant in front of your function you're finding the antiderivative of, then you just have the constant multiplied by that antiderivative plus c. If you have the sum of two functions, it's the sum of their antiderivatives plus c. And if you have the indefinite integral of a difference, it's the antiderivative difference plus c. So let's get into some examples together in the next video.